Good day, Neutralization Lab. We're going to show you the different changes that occur. So as you watch, you have to indicate what we start with and how each thing changes. So over here we have hydrochloric acid, clear, colorless liquid. Then we have sodium hydroxide, clear, colorless liquid. Then we have phenolphthalein. The liquid part is clear and colorless. We have a little bit of crystallization on the bottom. Those are your initial observations. Now, the lab assistant is going to put 5 mils of hydrochloric acid into a baby beaker. It'll be a toddler beaker. We didn't get the squeaking baby under a car sound this time. That's perfect. Good. And now, several drops of phenolphthalein are going to be added. And we're going to see if we get a change. And we get a change, and that's a change you are going to record, and you can see it's clearly been picked up by a high-tech camera. So the next change is to add the hydrochloric acid, and this is going to be the neutralization part of the game. And so drops are going to be added, and every so often it's going to be stirred, and we're just going to push the reaction a little farther. And stir. Beautiful. That is our second change. So adding acid has caused another change, and you have to figure out if that's chemical or physical. Our last change is we're going to heat up that liquid. We're going to drive off the liquid and see if anything remains. We are hoping our hot plate is hot. Always good to test. Hot. Nice. So that was in the interest of safety. And because the hot plate's toasty, it shouldn't take too long. You get some beautiful sounds. If the beaker breaks, then we heated it too much. That's a good idea to make it 3D, and just like John Candy used to. SCTV. We can see it is starting to burn. So this will not take long. Our lab assistant will be ready with crucible tops. So it's boiling quite happily. It should go faster and faster as the liquid gets driven off. Beautiful. Oh, you're filming here? Oh, it's on there. Gotta have it around. You looking? Have you looked there? Uh-huh. Be resilient. Almost school doesn't teach. Alrighty. are getting more and more exciting as we have less and less solvent. So it should go quickly now. Now lab assistants know, is the solution getting more or less concentrated? So more concentrated is right. And we're getting closer and closer. So, how much liquid would you estimate is left?
Like 4 milliliters.
Oh no, it's going to take days. Fortunately, if you're watching this video, you have nothing but time on your hands. Cinematographer is fighting to stay awake. It is not easy. Stamina. Okay, looks like we've hit pay dirt. We're almost there. Beautiful. Like a baby with gas. Fried noodles. And we're starting to see another change. Just about there. So when we're done, the one lab assistant is going to take it off, put it on the counter, and the other one is going to risk life and limb and film down the top. And the lab assistant with crucible tongs has to do it just at the right time so we don't lose our baby or toddler beaker. So, liquid all gone? Okay, so that's going to just be moved off onto the counter, and the camera's just going to look down the top. And that's the result of our last change there. So we've got a solid white crystalline powder there. That's the Neutralization Lab.